Collective has been working with Zenith for about 9 months, piloting a new product that we call TV Analytics, which is probably the most boring name of all time, but it has a really important and exciting new way of looking at television buying. So it's really the first time Collective also has released a research tool, an analytics tool for TV buyers. So what it does is it starts with the premise that TV advertisers want to sell products. And the second premise is that consumers are spending a lot of time online researching and buying those products and services. In fact, the research that we cite shows that 78% of consumers research or buy stuff online. So from a data geek perspective, when a consumer does some research about what they want to buy online, it's really exciting for us because it sends off signal. It sends off data. You know, you're configuring a car on a car website, or you're comparing rates on credit cards. You're sending off data that says you're in market now, and you're looking for data now. And so, you're looking for products and services now. So for us, that's an incredibly powerful signal that TV buyers, TV advertisers have not had access to yet. Data that says, I'm in market now for this product. I'm in the purchase funnel now for this product. The second element that's really exciting about using that kind of data for TV analysis is that it's immediate and it's at scale. So it's not just somebody filling out a survey a year ago, a couple hundred people saying, hey, I'm the kind of person who will configure a car. It's actually tens of thousands of people a day and hundreds of thousands of people a month identifying themselves through their behavior as someone who's in market. So what's new about what we've done with Zenith is, for the first time, we have combined this client website data with Rentrak data that Collective works with Rentrak exclusively on to provide an analysis tool for Zenith to change the way they buy TV. So in this case, the tool is being used to advise Zenith on their linear TV buys. So they will see an array, for instance, of television cable networks that they're already buying, and they will see how that lines up to where their clients' website visitors are watching. So they might find that 70% of the time they're buying the right stuff when it comes to buying the audience that's visiting VerizonWireless.com, but other times they're not. Other times they're missing opportunities where high concentrations of those website visitors are watching certain networks and they're just not being bought. And what Zenith is doing is that they're entering it into their own proprietary platform that they call Zeal, which is Zenith Engagement Analytics something, that takes the Collective data and other data sources and puts it into a formula that gives them a score for which networks they should be buying. So to answer your question, it's not a classic Collective advertising technology, digital technology platform play. It's more an analytics tool that anybody can use, and they license it. It shows up on their desktop, just like ComScore, Nielsen, or Inside Express. So this is the first time digital data has been available for linear TV buying. And the special part about that is what kind of insights a TV buyer can get that can only be derived from digital. The kind of data you can only derive from digital is people who are in market now and who are shopping now for a product, and the ability to get that data at massive scale. So now every single TV buyer in the ecosystem has a new tool at their disposal, and it's one that's really geared towards people who are buying and people who are in market.
And you guys are with Zenith. Is it exclusive to Zenith, or how might this product roll out?
We've been working with Zenith intensively for 9 months, and they've provided invaluable feedback on the product, and they've really in some ways shaped it in their image, which is exactly why we announced the partnership 9 months ago. But it's available on the open market, and we think it's a game changer for TV buyers.
We've gone to all these different places and been able to embrace the culture there. We learn what other agencies are like and how we can take all these best practices back to your own agency and really learn. And the best part, we always talk about, it's not about talking, it's about doing.